Hello, today I'm going to show you steamed egg curry. This is a very unique recipe and I'm sure you wouldn't have tried it before. We first steam eggs for this recipe like this and then we make a curry out of it. So let's get started. First we'll need some eggs and then some onions, green chilies, curry leaves and cinnamon and cloves and some tomatoes and ginger garlic paste and some coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, chili powder, some salt and some garam masala. We have to beat the eggs. I've added some salt and I'm going to beat them. Let's take a wide pan like this, spray some oil and spread it nicely. Put the egg in the pan. Take a pressure cooker, put some water at the bottom. I put the pan inside the pressure cooker and I'm going to cover it with a lid. Let's wait for a couple of whistles. While the egg is steaming, take another pan to prepare the curry and put some oil in it. First, let's put the cinnamon and cloves. After these are fried, let's add green chilies now. Curry leaves. Next, let's add the onions, the salt, some turmeric powder. So after the onions are fried, let's add some ginger garlic paste. Next, I've added some coriander powder and some cumin powder. So add some tomatoes. Let's cook the tomatoes until they become soft. Cover it with a lid. So I let this pressure cook for 2 whistles. Now let's check how it looks like. So this is how the egg looks like after it is steamed. Take the pan outside and cut it into small cubes. Now let's add our steamed egg into our gravy. Let's add some garam masala to this. Let's cover this with lid and let it cook for a few more minutes. That's it, this dish is done. Add some cilantro at the end. So do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't done so. Bye.